Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of nature. Today we are delving into the realm of insect to uncover the top 5 most dangerous insect in the world. From venomous bites to lethal sting, these creepy crawlies have earned their spot on our list. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. Number 1, driver ants. Starting off our list at number 1, we have the formidable driver ants found primarily in Central and East Africa. These relentless creatures are known for their massive colonies and ferocious hunting behavior. Driver ant queens are the largest living ants known, with their largest measuring between 40 to 63 millimeters. With sharp mandibles and a powerful bite, they can strip prey down to the bone in a matter of minutes. Encounter a swarm of driver ant and you are in for a truly intimidating experience. Seasonally, when food supplies become short, they leave the hill and form marching columns of up to 50 million ants, which are considered a menace to people, though they can be easily avoided. A column can only travel about 20 meters in an hour. It is for those unable to move or when the column passes through homes that there is a greatest risk. Number 2, bullet ant. In the second spot, we have the infamous bullet ants. Don't let their relatively small size fool you. These ant pack of the most painful insect stings in the planet, inhabitant humid lowland rainforest in Central and South America. The intensity of the sting has even been compared to the feeling of being shot, hence the name bullet ant. They are not aggressive ants but the vicious when defending the nest. When they produce a stridulating sound and sting with ferocity. Colonies consist of several hundred individuals and are usually situated at the bases of trees. Workers forage arduously for small arthropods and nectar in the area directly above the nest, often as far as the upper canopy. Little foraging occurs on the forest floor. Nectar carries between the mandibles. It is the most common food taken back to the nest by forage. It is an experience that many describe as excruciating and unforgettable. Number 3, fire ants. At number 3, we have the notorious fire ants. Found in various parts of the world, these aggressive insects are aptly named for the fiery sting. Typical fire ant colony produce large mounds in open areas and feeds mostly on young plants, insect and seed. Fire ant often attack small animals such as small lizards and can kill them. Unlike many other ants which bites and then spray acid on the wound, fire ant bite only to get a grip and then sting and inject a toxic alkali venom called solanopsin, a compound from the class of piperidines. For human, this is a painful sting, a sensation similar to what one feels when they burned by a fire. These colonies are known for their resilience, and disturbing a nest can result in a painful swarm attack. The venom they inject can cause severe allergic reaction in some individuals, making them a force to be reckoned with. Number 4, kissing bugs. Moving on to number 4, we have the stealthy kissing bug. They are mainly found and widespread in the America, with a few species present in Asia and Africa. These bugs usually share shelter with nesting vertebrates from which they suck blood. The life cycle of kissing bugs are wingless, First instar nymph hatches from an egg and may be small as 2 millimeter. It passes successively through second, third, fourth and fifth instars. Finally, the fifth instar turns into an adult, acquiring 2 pairs of wings despite their seemingly harmless name. These insects are vector for a potentially dead parasite. They feed on the blood of mammals including human and can transmit Chagas disease. The disease can lead to severe cardiac and gastrointestinal complication, making kissing bug a true threat to human health. Number 5. Fleas. Rounding out our top 5 are the tiny yet troublesome fleas. Fleas live by ingesting the blood of their host. Adult fleas grow to about 3 millimeter long, are usually brown and have bodies that are flattened sideways or narrow, enabling them to move through their host fur or feather. Fleas lay tiny white oval eggs. The larvae are small and pale, have bristles covering their worm-like bodies, lack eyes, and have mouth part adapting to chewing. The larvae feed on organic matter, especially the feces of mature fleas, which contain dried blood. Adult feeds only fresh blood. While they may seem innocuous, fleas are responsible for transmitting disease such as bubonic plague. The legs are long, the hind pair well adapted for jumping. A flea can jump vertically up to 18 cm and horizontally up to 33 cm. The blood-sucking parasite have been infamous throughout history for causing widespread epidemics. So it's essential to keep an out for this tiny but dangerous insect. And there you have it, folks, our list of the top 5 most dangerous insects in the world. Stay tuned for the next part where we will unveil the remaining 5 insects that have earned their reputation as nature's most formidable creature. If you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.